Meaning of indecipherable.
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 Indecipherable. The word indecipherable refers to something that is impossible to be understood or interpreted. It may be an illegible piece of handwriting, an encrypted message, or a complex code that cannot be deciphered even by an expert. When something is indecipherable, it becomes a mystery and remains obscure to its intended recipients. The lack of clarity and comprehensibility can lead to frustration and confusion, making it challenging to communicate effectively. In short, an indecipherable message or text is one that is beyond the understanding or interpretation of its intended audience.